These two software companies on screen are posting on a YouTube channel, and it's making their companies an extra $1 million in recurring revenue every single year. By the end of this video, you will have the blueprint to do the same for your own software company and add a ridiculous amount of revenue and recurring subscriptions from simple videos that you post on YouTube. And I know this works because I've worked with a handful of software companies and helped them roll out this exact same strategy. From companies that have raised a few $1 million, or this company here that went from 3K MRR to 30K MRR all organically. No brand deals, paid sponsorships, cringy videos, running ads, or doing any outreach. This is all organic through a very small yet targeted YouTube channel. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to reveal who these two companies are, what their channels are doing right, and how you can replicate it for yourself. All right, so let's dive into these two channels right now. They're making 7 figures for their respective software companies through a very simple YouTube strategy. And the reason I can break this down is, again, we've served dozens of clients. We've done over $1 million through YouTube and video marketing alone. If you want to watch the specific software company we worked with, it is right here. I will leave that link down below. And if you want to have a chat about implementing for your business, I will also leave a free chat with me down below if you want to take advantage. And the reason this is so important is because the moat in software, what makes you different, what makes you competitive, your competitive advantage, has shrunk because of AI. Anyone can build software now. So attention, distribution, marketing is truly what's going to make you stand out as a software company. When anyone can build anything, marketing becomes everything. You need attention and you need distribution. And these two companies are absolutely crushing. And the first company I'm going to talk about is Higgsfield AI. The second one I'm going to bring up in a second has a much smaller audience and they still do 7 figures, so you want to stick around for that. But Higgsfield obviously is crushing it. Yes, these guys do brand deals and sponsorships, but their natural YouTube videos are absolutely amazing. They show the product off insanely well. They're consistent and they're high quality, right? So you can see the amount of views that these videos are pulling in. People watch these videos and then go to Higgsfield to do the solution they talk about in the video. For example, in this video, if you want to make $1,300 a day, you need to download Higgsfield. So this is their whole strategy that we're going to cover right now. This is one channel that is absolutely destroying right now, and for good reason, because the product is good, they understand video marketing, and boom, they're crushing. And the first thing I want to break down is these channels don't sell, they teach. They teach. The viewer gets educated, the viewer gets nurtured, and then the viewer wants to buy. These companies, they do marketing so well, they don't have to ask you to buy. You want to buy after you're done watching a video, and that's the feeling you want to recreate in your social. So for example, for Higgsfield, they talk about tutorials, not necessarily demos. A lot of software companies, all they do in their content marketing is say, hey, this is our feature. This is a new addition. No one cares about your addition. No one cares about the feature. They care about how to use it to get a certain outcome, right? So you can see in the videos that they're posting here, especially the make money ones, this is how you make AI ads. They don't talk about their ads feature or this or that. They talk about how to make AI ads, and it just happens to be through Higgsfield. Same thing with this. You can make money with faceless channels. So people are going to watch this and realize, oh, well, I need Higgsfield to make money through faceless channels. They're talking about tutorials. They're talking about how to get an end result. By the way, to get the end result, you have product. And that is the way you need to do marketing and need to approach it. It's not, I just dropped a new update, V1.3, it's so awesome. No, it's this new update allows you to do this thing, and then you're going to market that thing. All right. It's much easier to talk about an outcome. So a person watches it, loves it, and then has to get the software to get that outcome. That is what you're talking about. That is why it's working so well. And the second company is Instantly.ai. Absolutely crushing it. Amazing software. And you can see their videos don't get a lot of views. A little while ago, they did, I think about a year ago, maybe. All right. So even recently, they're getting a lot of views on some of these videos, but the latest videos are not going crazy viral or anything like that. But these videos are absolutely crushing for the same reason. They are talking about Alex Ramosi, so they're hijacking attention there. They're just talking about sending cold email. So if someone clicks on this, they don't even understand that it's a software company necessarily. They just want to learn how to do cold emails. And oh, by the way, if you want to do cold emails well, you need Instantly.ai. So this is such a good marketing strategy. See, best cold email tutorial. They're just making advice, tutorial content, how to get an outcome type content, and then people watch it and realize, oh, Instantly AI will just for me. That is the best form of marketing. Teaching the skill, and they're owning the entire workflow. So if you watch all the content here, you're going to be good at email marketing, and I guarantee you, you are going to feel that you need Instantly.ai. And that is how they're doing it. They don't have to tell you to buy. They make you want to buy through their content. Because what teaching and tutorial and showing you how to get an outcome does, it builds trust, and at the same time, it creates desire. When you watch a bunch of these videos, you want to download the software. You're almost convinced to buy it. Like it's the only way to do XYZ thing. That is what good content does. And by the way, it's the same thing we have rolled out for all of our clients, most of them with a very small following, 10K clients from under 400 subscribers, getting crazy results because it's belief-based marketing. You talk about what to do, you show them how to get the end result, the people watching build trust with you and create desire to work with you, and then they work with you. Like that is literally how it works. It's how it worked on my channel. We've done over 200K through this small YouTube channel I have right here. We've done over $1 million for our clients. That is how you do video marketing. Create really good videos that build trust and create desire to work with you. It's inbound content marketing. It's almost like you have a magnet and you're attracting your viewers and attracting them to buy. You don't even have to ask them. By the way, I'll leave a link to all of our templates, frameworks, resources around YouTube and our community. There's a bunch of people in there crushing it, content AI marketing, so you can check that out down below. Next is something that these two channels do very well, and a lot of our clients that do well also do, is they ride search and trends at the same time. So for example, a really big trend, I'll go over to instantly, they do it really well, Alex Ramosi, the guy's all over the place. So when they make a video with his face in it and his unmistakable beard and acquisition.com hat, it gets more views because they're riding the wave of Alex Ramosi. All right, and they've done it a bunch of times. If I go back to their most popular video, when DeepSeek came out, I remember watching this video. This was a trend at the time. So they tied in the trend at DeepSeek to a video about how to get leads, which is what their software is about. So it's their unique selling proposition, getting leads, plus trend, cool, massive outlier video. Like that is literally what they did. They did the same thing here again with Alex Ramosi's lead magnet. If you run a content marketing service and you're familiar with content, this format was absolutely blowing up. So they're taking trending format plus their unique value proposition. Boom, they get a massive video. I bet this video made them probably 6 figures, right? Or maybe multiple high 5 figures. That is how you do it. Again, another DeepSeek video. So you can see they're tying together search and trends at the same time. You can see Higgsfield doing it right here. Claude Fable 5, obviously a massive talking point. A lot of people searching for it, a lot of people talking about it. They tied in Claude Fable 5 with their unique selling mechanism, which is how to build games. All right. So you're taking in something that's trending, your unique value proposition, and you're riding the wave, getting a lot of attention, but you're also selling your stuff at the same time, creating desire and building trust. And in the form of content ideation, when it comes to trends, search-based content is absolutely amazing. So if you think about it, search-based beats algorithm-fed. So an algorithm is basically, if you go to your YouTube home, you click on that, those are in your feed. You did not ask for them, you did not search for them. YouTube is recommending them to you based on your preference. So will you like those? Probably, because the algorithm knows what you watch and you probably like those videos. But if you search for example, how to do cold email, what's the best cold email software, and this video pops up, you are so much more qualified to watch that video because you are literally looking for that, right? So any video that is ranking, any video that is search is like a pre-qualified lead coming. They're already asking for the best cold email software. You're right in front of them. They watch your video. They're so much more likely to buy. All right. And that's why free course videos are so well. I think they just posted one. So the best cold email tutorial for beginners. If people are looking for the best cold email tutorial in 2026 and they find this video, they're a qualified viewer. They're so much more likely to buy from instantly.ai than a person just scrolling and happening to come across this on the feed. All right. So you want to look for search-based videos and create videos around what your audience, your ICP, your ideal customers, what they're searching. Take what they're searching and turn it into a video. It's really simple. And that's why I call search content sort of like the floor, because the ceiling is the opposite. That's trend content. This is when you're aiming to get on the homepage of these different people. So you're getting more attention, you're getting more top of funnel reach. They might not be the most qualified people. They might not really care about your service or are interested in buying your service, but you're getting a lot of reach to your channel. And when you reach the ceiling trend content with search-based or the floor content, you get a really good mix. You get people that are searching, that are ready to buy. You get highly sort of top of funnel people. They're like, this is interesting. Let me watch this video, and this video, and then watch this video. And all of a sudden they're really interested and then they buy from you. So you need a good mix of both. This comes down to the content funnel. If you haven't watched my videos on content funnel and content strategy, I have dozens of them. I'll leave my playlist down below. It's like 30 videos. By the end of that, you will understand everything about content marketing. So I'll leave that down below. Or if you're enjoying this so far, drop subscribe so all my videos land on your feed and you can get more leads using AI, social media. And the next thing that these videos do so well is the product is the hero of the tutorial. Once again, what I was mentioning is the video is basically disguising the tool, right? So the video is talking about how to get an outcome, how to get an outcome. All right. That is what these videos are doing, and they're doing it really well. Now, why this is important is because a viewer right here, let's say, this is the spectrum. This is the outcome they want. This is where they are. All right. So let's say a viewer comes, watches the video right here. All right. They're right here, but they want this outcome. They want this outcome so bad. Now they watch this video, and after they watch this video, they're like right here. Like, okay, I understand a little bit more. That makes sense. Okay, let me watch another video. And they watch another video right here. Now they're right here. And they're like, instead of me watching all these other videos, let me just get the tool, and this will get me to the outcome. Do you see what I mean here? So the product is the hero of the tutorial. If you want to go from here, where you are right now, to the outcome, our tool will do that for you. And that is what the video is reinforcing. All these videos are reinforcing. If you want to make 40K a month with a faceless channel, you need Higgsfield AI. If you want to book hundreds of calls using GLM 5.2, get hundreds of leads, you need Instantly AI. So it's not optional to have these softwares. When you watch these tutorials to get the outcome these videos promise, you need these softwares. And that's why people are buying, and that's why these channels are printing $1 million plus a year easily. And they're really flex these tools. If you have a software, flex the tool, right? Say like, hey, by the way, it can do this and this and this. This is how it gets to the outcome. Don't say it's all about the tool, but say if you want the outcome, this tool will get you there. Always be outcome focused, but the tool will help you get towards the outcome. Otherwise, it's not a good tool and you wouldn't even be doing it in the first place. So have some faith in your product and show if you want to get this outcome, our tool will do it. This is how it will do it. That is the video. And if that doesn't make sense, please leave a comment down below. It's a huge takeaway. Watch it again. Sell the outcome, but sell that the tool gets you to the outcome. So if a person wants the outcome in their head, they're like, I must need the tool. And that's what gets a person from a viewer to a buyer. And that's why I see separate a lot of channels. So channels, there's no bridge sometimes in content strategy. So you just talk about like random stuff and what you think and your opinions. You don't show people how to get the outcome, right? That's the bridge. Like, okay, you're here. Here's how you get here. The bridge, the tool is in that bridge. You need the tool to cross, right? And that's why people actually go from viewers to buyers. And that's why some of our clients are able to make a lot of money from very small channels, my channel included. Because at the end of the day, with Instantly especially, they don't get crazy amounts of views. I'd rather have 800 views on a video and get buyers than 100K random views and get 0 buyers. Ideally, you're doing something like Higgsfield where you're getting a lot of views and a lot of buyers. That's not always possible though. If you're in a smaller niche, you might just need to get 500 views a video and sign a few clients. Like that is a win. Don't always go for top of funnel crazy reach. Going viral, it doesn't work as well as you think. Go for targeted reach. And again, balance floor and ceiling content, writing trends and doing search-based, objection handling based video. Now, I think this is so important. This is the future of marketing, in my opinion. Ads, or you're just renting from the platform. Content you could at least own. You could run them to a newsletter. You own your attention. You pay for crazy influencers that will charge you $100,000 for a post. Own your own attention. If you just take 3 months and build a channel, it will produce you a long-term ROI. If you plan on taking your SaaS and your journey seriously, it's something I highly recommend, and it's something I could walk you through where you don't even have to film. You can have someone film for you. There's so many different options. If you want to book a call with us down below, I'll run you through every single option, fit your needs the most, of how to get organic owned media to actually pay you and get you inbound users that pay for your software or your app. And here's a summary. Teach the outcome in your videos, run search and trends together. So again, ceiling and floor content, and then just put your product as the hero. Your product is what gets people from here to here, and that is what gets people to buy. Bake that in their head. To get to where you want to go, you need our tool. Give away so much value in the videos that's unreasonable that these people do not buy. And this is the common theme of what I talk about. So if you like this type of stuff, subscribe. In a world where AI could build anything, attention becomes everything. You have to own your attention if you want to build a long-term business in the software space right now. You really have no other. So that is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a subscribe and a comment about your favorite parts. Otherwise, you can watch this video next. I'll catch you there, and I'll see you in the next. Take care.